Let's take a closer look at the Pink Stuff, the Miracle Cream Cleaner. Now this is a liquid cream cleaner and it's white in color and it virtually can clean all kinds of hard surfaces in your home. Now it is a mild abrasive and you can use it both indoor and outdoors. Now I have used this on my kitchen and my bathroom sinks, my stove, my stubborn pots and pans, and my bathroom shower tile. And I'm telling you, it leaves everything nice and shiny and very clean. Now, my two favorite things about this cleaner is that it has removed my hard water stains in my shower and my kitchen sink. The second reason is it is made with 100% natural ingredients, it's vegan friendly and cruelty free, and it really has a pleasant scent. It's kind of a rhubarb scent, but it really leaves your home smelling fresh and very clean. I highly recommend the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner.